Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be sowing some seeds, and these seeds are from my very own peppers from my very own garden. They are from the blonde bell pepper, and I did a video on this just the other day on how I harvested them, and I showed you how to extract the seeds from them. Well, now these seeds have been dried for about 4 days now, so now I'm ready to plant them. I've got some buckets here ready with my favorite soil, my favorite compost mixture, and everything is ready to go. Now, because I've never harvested my own seeds from my very own vegetables, from my very own garden, I am going to oversow. But why, Gyps? Why are you going to oversow? Well, because this is my first time doing it. I gotta learn from my mistakes. Let's see if it works, right? Okay. Well, as you could see, we got a good amount of seeds just from those 2 small peppers. So, what's a girl to do? Oh, geez. Well, let's get them in some pots, right? All right. So, let's move this over to the side. Let's get a pot in here. And let's get to sowing. All right. So, oh, Gyps, that's a lot of seeds. I know. I got a second pot over here. I'm doing it too. Oh my God. But I think that's enough. Now I'm getting scared. Hey. Let's throw some soil on top of that. And updates will be coming at you on these 2 pepper plants that I am trying to regrow. Oh, all right. I'm going to start planting them in some smaller pots too. Let's take these down, because I do have containers, smaller containers, from like whipped cream and all. Well, this is kind of big, so let's use this too. Let's get some soil in. Now, you always want to use raised bed garden soil when you're potting in plants. Let's get our seeds out. Yikes! Now, sprinkle, sprinkle. And let's get a little bit more soil to put on top. Done and done. Let's get a little lid. Boop. Okay. Well, that's the end of this video. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Okay, that's the end of this video. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.